Hello and welcome to our third video in our masking series. So we're going to be doing masking with a magic wand. And masking with a magic wand is when you got a solid color background. So you must use this image. We've got an image right here. And I'm just going to hit download. And now it's in there. So I'm just going to go to my Photoshop and I'm going to go File Open. And I've got, it's called Mask 3. So I've got to go here. Again, I'm going to duplicate. I'm going to turn off the visibility of the bottom layer. I'm going to add a mask. And I am going to grab the magic wand, and it's the same place as the quick selection tool. So you just grab the magic wand and you just click on the white and you go edit, fill with black, gets rid of the background. I'm going to add a layer. Once again, I'm just going to do that same old gradient. You can put in your own one, of course. I'm going to go select and deselect. Then I'm going to grab a gradient, do the exact same gradient again. I'm going to just click and drag. And if I want, I can go in and I can add a filter to it if I want to. Or you can add your own background that you've previously made. And you got to save this. Remember to take a snipping tool to grab a picture of your layer palette to show that you did do it the right way, not with an eraser tool. And that is using the magic wand to get rid of background. Thanks for watching.